What's up, good people? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Donato, baby. Look, we coming to pick up some wood and checking out a crazy garden. We got these. As you know, your boy owned a barbecue company. And this is my order for today. How much wood y'all think this is? Drop it below, let me know what you think this is. And these bitter squash. We might use it in a Let's Cook. Y'all drop a comment, let me know what recipe I can do with these. This big boy here. That is a big squash. That's a big one. This is my wood order. One haul, people, one haul. We thinking about doing a good vegetable stew with these. We got all type of different type of squash and peppers. What type of peppers we got back there? Those look hot. Oh my God, y'all check them out.
Yeah.
Hey, look, y'all check this out. Y'all drop a comment, let me know what can I make, what type of dish we can make with this fresh squash, fresh peppers. We might even fry something up, huh, Patty?
I'd like to see it fried.
Yeah, we'll do a deep fry. You know I'm from the South. Anything fried is great. Put it in some oil and call it a day. Let's check out some squash from Thailand. Make sure we ain't got no snakes on, because I don't got the proper shoes on no way. The mama, the papa, and the baby, we got to go see this, y'all. Look at this, guys. These here get pretty big. Squashes from Laos. Yeah, I love green tomatoes. Fried green tomatoes are the best. Oh my God.
A papa, a mama, and a baby.
Yeah, we got the papa. Look at the little baby. And the mama. What y'all want to see, Mr. Money? Chef Ray. Chef Ray now don't cook with these here. I'm going to do my homework on them. We had okra.
Oh, yeah.
But just about gone.
A lot of okra because I've gotten out here too late.
Yeah.
They just go.
The animals get it or no?
No. They go bad if they get too big. They're too hard.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta.
So we just about empty on here.
Just about. Yeah. They're down to bitters.
See if we can find some okra, guys. Oh, we found one. There it is. At least we got one. We definitely gonna use it. Just pull them off, right?
You have to pop them at the
tip.
At the
back here.
No, at the stem. Do like this.
Check it out. Green tomatoes. I love green tomatoes,
Do you really?
especially fried green tomatoes.
I'm trying to get some big ones for you. Get this red
It's one of my favorites.
Fried green. These are like little bitty.
Yeah, I might do a special recipe and dip them whole, just trim them up.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Something a little different. Look at that, guys. Fresh tomatoes, green tomatoes. Veggie. We're gonna do a nice veggie soup with this, with a side of fried green tomatoes. How that sound, Pat?
Sounds good.
Yeah, maybe we'll cook us up a nice ribeye to go with it. It's hump day. Hump day. Coming to pick up some wood and fresh veggies. Cause we're getting ready to do a veggie stew. It's getting cold, the season changing. Cotto bottle season, baby.
Just two. It's Italian
This
squash.
look a little bit more recognizable.
Yeah.
And you know what? That
Looks
makes
like a zucchini.
that makes sense though, because there's so many different types of pickles.
Right.
Italian and a bitter squash.
And it's Indian.
And that's Indian.
Right.
What is it? Are these greens?
No. It's
They look
pumpkin
like-
squash. It's a
Pumpkin
there's
squash.
one over here. How big they get?
Oh man, that was nice. Pumpkin squash. I wonder where those from. Y'all drop in the comment and let us know if you know where a pumpkin squash is from. Get the VIN number off of her, brother. Got rid of this boat, people. Took down this big tree on one of my properties. See how big this tree is? Get this truck over here. Get on over here, boy. Jam Pack Cookers. We're gonna get some more wood, boy. Stacking up wood and getting some veggies. Oh man, hey man, it's my crazy brother Mike. We out here, hey, Mike, what kind is this? Do you know?
It's kind of a long thing that people play with.
Hey, he ain't had his man shit. Y'all gotta look over him. He had his Tarzan. Oh shit. Hey, good people, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Until next time,
family first and God.
family first and God, baby. That's how we work it. Jam Pack Cooking. Mr. Money, Chef Ray. Peace and love.